Elias here with DJ Construction, your best option. And today is day number 37 right here in our ADU build in La Mesa. So today we are working on finishing all our carpentry right here in the inside. The doors are installed already. The carpenter is working on the shelving right now. He's gonna build everything. He installed this just to make sure that all the supports on the side are on the right location. And at the end of the day, he's gonna take this out so the painter, whenever he comes, he can paint without any obstruction. Today, the carpenter is going to start assembling all the cabinets for the kitchen, and between tomorrow and Thursday, kitchen should be installed and ready for templates for the granite. Roofing is done, so look how beautiful. The house is completely watertight now. Right here, everything is done. How are you, my friends? Elias here with DG Construction, your best option, and today is day number 38. I got here a little bit late today. Well, it's like 5 o'clock, but it's already kind of dark. So I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough to see what my guys did today. Right here on the exterior, we already did the stucco coat, the color. This is gonna be a white color stucco, and we're doing a sand finish. Pretty much they did like half of it. If you remember, this part used to be the raw wood, the framing. They prepare everything to do the first coat of the scratch and brown. They will do it tomorrow with a hot material so it dries, and they can do the whole process tomorrow. So very happy with the process, at least myself. I'm not sure if my homeowners feeling the same way. All right, day number 39 right here at the ADU build in La Mesa. Today they're gonna finish the other two walls, this long wall and the short one right there on the back that they're working right now. They are doing the scratch and brown for the entrance right here. Whenever you see that your stucco guys are doing stucco, you want them to finish walls. Don't let them get like half of the wall on one day and then come back and do the rest, because you usually see the seams right there. That's why they left this untouched. This is something that you need to make sure that you see whenever your guys are doing it. Same thing, one guy on top, one guy on the bottom, and they have to go like uniform so you don't see any seams. So let's take a pic right here inside. I think the cabinet guys are here already. Yes, they are. Top cabinets are 22 inches tall. We have right here the sink. It's gonna be a undermount farm sink. So this cabinet needs to have a little bit of a customization. It's gonna have to have a board right here and this right here. So the sink goes on top of that reinforced, and then we make it flush right here so the granite comes. This is the sink that the homeowner picked. It's a porcelain undermount sink. It's gonna look super nice right there. They're letting me know right now that they will be finished today. 2 Lazy Susans on each corner. So we will be ready for templates for tomorrow. Today is flooring and baseboard installation. They already got like half of it done. They're gonna be done today. We're using a vinyl floor with the cork underlayment. This is the one that my homeowner picked. In this case, we need to use a plastic underlayment. We are using a 6 mil plastic. The plastic is to prevent moisture from the concrete to get into the vinyl. Usually, whenever you have the vinyl that has a plastic underlayment or cushion or padding right here underneath, you don't necessarily need plastic. But in this case, we have cork. Cork can be damaged by moisture. That's the reason why we're using it. Right here, we're laying it under the dishwasher right there. They're going a little bit under the cabinets, so we don't use any kind of a water around. We're gonna put the toe kick after the vinyl. That way we're gonna prevent using any kind of a trim, coat around, or anything at the end of the cabinets. It seems cleaner at the end. You don't have any kind of a trim, a coat around, but it can be a con if by any reason you have any kind of a water leak. It will be a little bit harder to remove the pieces and patch flooring. And if something happened, then we address the problem when it happens. That's what we're doing today. Day number 41, and I am going to show you something that happened during construction. We needed to make decisions, and this is an important one that we took. Let me know in the comments what you think. So today we're still working with all our carpentry, almost finishing doors, casings, and baseboards. The important thing that you're gonna see today is in this project we did need to have fire sprinklers. As you see, we're almost done and we don't have them yet, and I'm gonna explain you a little bit the reason why. We hire a company to do the fire sprinklers from the beginning of way before the beginning of the project. They were taking so long to respond and to get the permits, etc. We took the decision to go ahead with the construction, drywall, painting, everything as we needed to go. And today we're gonna have to come and punch some holes on the walls and run the fire sprinkler system, and then tomorrow patch, and the day after come and paint and finish all the painting. I know that that's gonna impact my budget a little bit, but it wouldn't be 2 months of rent. Might be different approaches to this problem, but those are the kind of things that we need to take executive decisions once we confront those kind of problems. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the process during the day, how we're doing, how the fire sprinklers are installed and everything. Let's see how much damage, right? So we have a couple right here. Right here is gonna be where our riser is gonna be, right in the closet. So a couple more there. Another one right here in this bedroom, and right here is where most of the damage is. But anyway, we need to do whatever we need to do so we can run our pipes. Another thing that we're doing today, we're taking templates for our boards. We already decided we're gonna do it on the full slab, so we don't have any kind of seams. That's the way to go. If we have the budget. We never like to use the prefabs. They don't really look custom. He's taking in consideration that we have an undermount sink right here, a farm sink. We already checked that we have enough to do it. There's the template for that corner, and then he has the template for all this big piece. This is how the fire sprinklers plans look like. All the specifications about the piping, the size, how they're gonna route all the lines right there. Anyway, like I told you, comment right there. It's not the ideal way to go, but what would you do in this case? Hello my friends, how are you? Day number 42 right here at the ADU in La Mesa. Are installing the countertops. The guys, they already arrived with the 2 pieces that they're gonna install. It's gonna be ports. We don't like to use any kind of prefabs. Use them whenever we have to, but this is what we like about using slab countertops. We can follow the lines. It's gonna be a full piece, no seams. So at the end, it looks way more custom. So this is gonna be another piece, a full piece. The sink is already in place, our undermount farm sink. And let me show you They're gonna carry it right now. We're still working on fixing a couple of holes that my fire sprinkler guy did. We're not gonna patch them because we have a inspection on Monday, but we are doing the framing for the access door, making the holes square so my drywaller can do his job a little bit easier. We already put all the reinforces right there, the insulation back. So they have to be careful whenever they bring it, but it's not as brittle as other materials like quartzite or marble or anything like that. So that's and not just make a comment is they don't have any kind of reinforce on the. Nobody means so. I'm gonna get out of the way. Like a glove. So right here, we already have our two centers of the two holes marked. This is gonna be for the faucet right here on the center, and this is gonna be for the air gap. That's everything that we need. We haven't discussed having any kind of a soap dispenser or anything like that. We have our two holes ready. We just need to clean up all this caulking right here so everything gets sealed. We're gonna have inspection today. We're expecting the fire marshal, and we are starting with the backsplash as well. A couple important things right here with the fire inspection. It's gonna come and look things like our heads right here in every bedroom and in every room, like right here. Something important is gonna be center of the fan needs to be at least 3 feet from the sprinkler head. We haven't done the main right here at the exterior. We need to make sure that our shuttle valve right here on the entrance of the water supply is at this location. In other words, before the shuttle valve needs to control the main water for the house and the water for the fire sprinklers, just in case that somebody come, so they don't forget to turn the water on whenever they're doing a repair. If we have the shuttle valve right here on the fire sprinkler side, they could forget and turn the fire sprinklers. If we have it right here on the main, if they don't have water on the bathroom or kitchen or whatever, they shouldn't be forgetting turning it on. That's something important as well. Gonna come and check all the layout, that everything is on the proper location. We should be okay. So the fire marshal already was here, and we pass inspection. That's the signature right there. And same thing right here on our inspection record from the city right there. Our first sprinkler test. He needs to come back at final and make sure that the system is working. Fire sprinkler contractor and myself should be here. Tyler is here, and we kind of figure out what's the layout. We're gonna have a full tile right there on the front. Then it's going to be a little cut right there on that side on the corner, and a full tile right here on the right. So it's almost center. It's going to be a little bit off center to the right because we have a little bit less cabinets right here than on the right side. Right here is gonna be another full piece, and then a cut right here on this corner. That is the less visible one. Then on this wall, that's gonna be the bigger wall. We're gonna have to off-center it like an inch right here on the window. Probably not as noticeable. We always see those details. He's laying right now the pieces right here on the floor so we can try to follow the veins. We want to try to make it look as seamless or as one piece as possible. That's the way to do it. Like right here, he's following the veins. He's gonna start working as soon as he has the layout right there on the floor. He's gonna start with the cuts and then installing the backsplash between today and probably half of day tomorrow. This should be done. We already bought the shelves. We're gonna have two right here and two right here, 24-inch shelves. For now, that's everything. Like always, if you feel that these videos help you or can help somebody else, please help us by sharing them so more people know what we do and how we do it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.